There are three kinds of people in this world. The first set up their channel homepage in a rush and leave it there for 10 years, never paying much attention to it. The second spend way too long on it and never make enough content to go on the channel as a result. And the third watch this video and follow the steps so they don't waste their time on it and hit like. So, first up, I'm going to hit you with a strong opinion. Your homepage banner is not that important. I mean, how much time do you spend looking at them on other channels? Sure, it's nice to have a glossy image, but do you really check them out in that much detail? I don't. Maybe you do. No, you hit up the videos on that channel. So let's start with the most important thing on your channel homepage to get you more views, setting up your videos. So here's what I mean. When you click on a channel, you see their channel trailer, and then below that, there's a ton of other videos. Or in your case, there may be none. The first thing you need to do to display videos on your own homepage is to make a playlist. You can't do this next step without one, so don't skip it. Check out this video here to learn how to make a playlist too. And when you have some, click on your customize channel button and then hit the cog and then turn on customize the layout of this channel. Now you can select videos and playlists to appear on your channel. So pick your best work or videos you want to get more views on and attempt to rank. Then hit add section. You can select recent posts or live streams and playlists. You can display it in a vertical or horizontal list. The vertical one shows more of the title and description, but less videos. I don't think people tend to scroll past the first few options, so focus on what you really want watching. Make sure it's not your oldest videos too. You don't want them to discover content that's 5 years old and out of date. But the next thing to do to get more views is to optimize your channel for search. It sounds like a lot of work, but it's not really. Head over to your About section and write 2 lines that use your channel keywords. So for us it would be YouTube growth or video production company, etc. Then make it clear in those lines who your channel is for. So for us small creators who don't want to waste their time watching long videos that contain little to no information. Why 2 lines? Because these are the ones that show when someone finds your channel in search. Also, try and include your channel name in there for when people actually try and find you. Now, the rest of your About Us, you can go into more detail. Dive into your vision for the channel, your values and your goals. But again, how often do you actually read these? I know you should do everything to the best of your ability, and some people like to read rather than watch, but you're on YouTube. You'd think homepage trailers would be the place to focus on rather than a lengthy essay. Now, on to the next item, adding links. How will that help you grow your channel, I hear thee roar? Well, you want to try and get your viewers on your social media channels too. It gives you another way to keep in contact with them and let them know when a new release goes live, which means you got it, more views. So go to channel, hit customize channel, then select the little pen on your channel banner and select edit links. If you have lots of social platforms that you've set up over time, only add the ones you actually use regularly. So if it's just Instagram, leave that on its own. There's no point sending people somewhere that you don't update just because you have it. Now, you can add your email to this page too. One you use, or at least one you check, because you'll want to know when people want to collab with you and help grow your channel. More views. You do that in the same section. Simply click the pen and then add your email. That then brings us on to channel branding and artwork. Let's start with your avatar. This is your icon and we believe it to be very important. It shows up on your channel and when you comment, so it can get everywhere. For businesses, you might use your logo. For personal brands and vloggers, you might want to use your face. Or the third option is to design an icon that fits in with your branding, like the Nike tick. We're going to be using an icon for our avatar now. It forms part of our new logo, but we want it to become the thing people recognize us for. It will take some time, but if people see it enough, one day it might stand for something. To change it, go into your channel and select customize and then hit the little pen on the logo and add your image. Resize it and post. It might not appear straight away, so leave it a few hours if you can't see it. Don't worry about that. And finally, your channel banner. Gone in reverse to all the other videos on this. Maybe it's me, but I don't think this is as important as some people think. I mean, as long as it's not awful, then you're okay. Really, it needs to shout out straight away what your channel's about, what it stands for, and who's it for, so that people know they're in the right place. Don't be afraid to scream a loud opinion. Check us out. We really want to stop people in our tracks and make them go, this is different and I like it. Or, I can't stand you, I'm off. No point wasting anyone's time here, is there? When designing it, you'll probably want to pull your hair out when you upload it and realise the information doesn't show up properly. That's because, for some stupid reason, YouTube gives you space to add a huge amount of information but never actually shows that much to viewers. The size of the image is 2560 by 432, but it only shows 1546 by 423 in the middle of the flipping thing. Now, this is because desktops and tablets and TVs see different things, so make sure your info is only in the middle section, as you can see on the screen. Canva will let you build these as templates with this in mind, so check it out to build one easily and keep your hair intact. So once your message is super clear, add a social media handle for the platforms you use, and maybe put your posting schedule on there too, so people will know when to come back. But again, I don't really tend to read these, do you? Let us know in the comments. Do all of these things and ensure you get more views on your YouTube videos, but even more importantly, watch this playlist here and learn how to optimize videos for search if you really want some views, and check out our latest release, but not before you hit subscribe, of course, because every time you hit subscribe, we smile. Make me smile.